Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to insert emojis on your Google Docs on your Windows PC. So for this guys, first you need to open the Google Docs on your PC on any web browser. After opening here, if you want to insert the emoji on your Google Docs documents, just you need to type first add symbol like this. After this guys, you need to type colon symbol. Okay, it will open the emojis panel on your Google Docs. As you can see guys, here if you want to get more emojis, just you need to expand this like this. Here you can get the lots of emojis, as you can see guys. So from here you can easily able to insert the emojis on your Google Docs. So that's for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.